Gen Z is changing the way Americans talk about money, and the biggest trend right now is called loud budgeting. For years, budgeting was something people did quietly, but Gen Z is doing the opposite. They're openly saying no to things they can't afford without feeling embarrassed. Loud budgeting means being honest about your money limits. Instead of saying, "I'm busy," people now say, "That's not in my budget." And surprisingly, this mindset is helping thousands of young Americans save more money. With rising rent, student loans, and inflation, Gen Z understands one thing very clearly. Looking rich is expensive, but building wealth is powerful. Many Gen Z creators are sharing their paycheck breakdowns online. They show exactly how much goes to rent, groceries, savings, and fun money. This transparency is helping others feel less alone and more motivated to budget. Loud budgeting also helps avoid impulse spending. When you clearly decide where your money goes, you stop wasting it on things that don't actually matter to you. Experts say this trend is improving financial confidence, especially for people in their 20s and early 30s. Instead of chasing lifestyle pressure, they're choosing financial peace. If you want to start loud budgeting, it's simple. Track your income, set clear spending limits, and don't be afraid to protect your financial goals. Because at the end of the day, being honest about money is smarter than pretending you have it all figured out. If you found this helpful, like the video and follow for more simple personal finance tips.